Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, and instead of the first golden rays appearing in the east, you see the sun dramatically rising in the west. Your brain says, this can't be real. But what if it did happen? Would our world survive, or collapse into chaos? Let's find out. The natural order we take for granted. The sun has risen in the east and set in the west for billions of years, thanks to one simple fact: Earth spins from west to east. This rotation takes about 24 hours and gives us our familiar day and night cycle. If that direction were suddenly reversed, the sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east, an event so shocking it would change life as we know it. The physics behind the change. To make the sun rise in the west, Earth would need to reverse its rotation. This is not a small adjustment, it's a monumental shift in physics. Earth's rotation speed. At the equator, we spin at roughly 1,670 km per hour, 1,040 miles per hour. Reversal impact. Stopping this spin and reversing it instantly would unleash unimaginable forces. Entire oceans would slosh violently, causing tsunamis thousands of meters high. Cities near coastlines would be wiped out. Atmospheric havoc. The atmosphere would keep moving at the original speed, producing winds stronger than any hurricane ever recorded. This is why, in reality, such a reversal could never happen naturally without a catastrophic event, like a planetary collision. Life under a reverse rotation. If somehow the reversal happened slowly over thousands of years, making it survivable for ecosystems, our world would still undergo drastic changes. 1. Weather patterns flipped. Trade winds would reverse, altering rainfall distribution. Europe's climate would shift. Regions like Spain and Italy might get wetter winters, while Eastern Europe could face prolonged droughts. 2. Ocean currents changed. The Gulf Stream, which keeps Western Europe warmer, could weaken or even reverse, plunging places like the UK and France into colder winters. 3. Animal navigation chaos. Many migratory species rely on the sun's position. Birds, turtles, and even some fish would be thrown into disorientation, impacting food chains. Cultural and human impact. The change wouldn't just be scientific, it would be cultural, psychological, and economic. Timekeeping overhaul. Clocks, calendars, and daily routines would all need redesigning. Religious and historical significance. Many ancient traditions and rituals are tied to the sun's rising point. A reversal could challenge centuries-old beliefs and practices. Agricultural adjustments. Farmers rely on predictable sunlight patterns. A reversed sunrise could demand entirely new planting schedules. Could we adapt? Humans are remarkably adaptable, but the adjustment wouldn't be easy. Civilizations might survive if the reversal were gradual. Infrastructure would need to change, disaster preparation would become a priority, and food supply systems would need to adapt to shifting climates. The good news: in a slow reversal, we'd have decades or even centuries to prepare. Enough time for science and engineering to rise to the challenge. Why it's fascinating, but safe to imagine. Astronomers confirm that a sudden reversal is virtually impossible without a cosmic disaster. The forces needed are beyond anything Earth has faced in human history. So, for now, the sun will continue to rise in the east, and we can enjoy this what-if scenario safely in our imagination. Still, exploring such hypotheticals reminds us how fragile our natural systems are, and how much we depend on a stable, predictable planet. If this video blew your mind, imagine what else science has in store for you. Hit subscribe for more thought-provoking, what-if scenarios. Drop your theories in the comments, and share this with a friend who loves mind-bending science. The sun might not rise in the west tomorrow, but curiosity should rise in you every day.